Hello, my name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Terraria, Part 4. And in this episode, I'm going to fight the first boss, the Eye of Cthulhu. But before I fight the Eye of Cthulhu, I want to upgrade my house a little bit. Right now, my house is pretty boring. It's got wooden walls, wooden doors, wooden platforms, wooden tables, wooden chairs, wooden back walls. Pretty much everything is made out of wood. Also, in my last video, I dug beneath my house. I dug a room down here, and I want to turn this room into a room for my statues. I have all these statues. I want to place them in this room beneath my house. I could make some glass with my sand. I'll make some glass blocks. I made 235 glass blocks. And with my glass blocks, I can make glass walls. I'll make some of these. I made 140 glass walls. Now I can add windows to my house, finally. My house has no windows. I'll take my wooden hammer, and I'll use my hammer to remove all of the walls in this room, in Harold's room. I'm gonna remove all these walls. Goodbye, painting. I'm removing all of these wood walls. Alright, I removed all of the walls. I'll go back to the crafting table. Okay, what kind of walls can I build? I could make dirt walls with dirt. I could make stone walls. Stone walls could be good. I could make some mushroom walls using my glowing mushrooms. For this room, I'll choose stone walls. I'll make a bunch of stone walls. 176. Now I'll place these stone walls in Harold's room. Stone walls. And I want to add some windows to this room. So I'll take my glass walls and I'll place some glass walls here. Like this. Cool. My first window. Alright, my second window. I'll put a window on this side. My third window, and my fourth window. Alright, 4 windows in this room. This room is looking better, but look, the floor is still made out of grass. I need to dig up this floor and replace it. I'll take out my pickaxe and I'll dig up this floor. Oh, I can't break the ground here because there are chests on top. Uh-oh. I need to make a room just for chests. A room with tons of chests. I'll jump up to the second floor, and over here, I'm going to break this wall. I have 23 wood. With this wood, I'm going to build a small room on the right side of the house. Alright. And it'll go up. Cool. I'll use my hammer on these wood blocks. Almost finished. There we go. Cool. Now I'll get some wooden platforms. And I'll place these wood platforms right here. More wood platforms. I'm out of wood. I need to chop down some more trees. But for now, I'll place chests in this room. And I'll keep expanding upward. I have 4 sandstone chests. I'll place these. 1, 2, 3. I can only fit 3 chests on this platform. I'm going to change this a little bit. I'll break this wall, and I'll break this platform. Okay, now I'll place wood up. There we go. Now it perfectly fits 3 chests. 1, 2, 3. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos, and if you'd like to practice speaking English with me, you could book a call with me on Google Meets or Tencent Meetings by clicking up here. I have one more sandstone chest. I'll place that one here. Whoa! Look at all these bugs in my house. Ladybugs! There are tons of ladybugs in my house. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to start putting things in these chests. In this first chest, I'm going to place metal and ore. So I'll put lead ore, crimtane ore. I'll rename this chest metal / ore. Cool. I'll pick up my tungsten ore, my tin ore, and my gold ore for that chest. Whoa. Are you okay, Emma? What's happening to Emma, the nurse? Okay, I'll put away my gold, tin, and tungsten. I'll make this second chest my blocks chest. I'll also pick up these bars. In my metal chest, I'll place my bars. And in my blocks chest, I'll place all these. All of my blocks. And I'll rename this chest blocks. BLOCKS. Save. Alright, now I have a metal chest and a blocks chest. Maybe in this third chest, I'll put furniture like chairs and tables and things like that. I'll rename this furniture. Save. And in the furniture chest, I'll put the chair, the piano, the table. Okay, now I've put a lot of things away in these chests, so I can take everything out of these, and I can finish digging up the floor. I'll take all this stuff, and I'll break the chest. What? Oh, I forgot about the hammer. I'll break the chest, and I can break the floor. All right, now I'll take everything from this chest, I'll break it, and I'll dig up the floor. In this room, I'll replace the floor with stone to go with the stone walls. Do I have any stone? Nope, it's up here in the blocks chest. I'll pick up my stone, and I'll use my stone to make the floor. There we go, much better. And now I can replace the doors. 1, 2. Alright. I'm going to remove this gold chandelier and these torches. Okay. And I'll replace them with some of these mushroom torches. I'll place a mushroom torch up here and one up here. The mushroom torches are blue. Whoa, look! I could make a mushroom lamp or a mushroom lantern. Let's make some mushroom lanterns to hang from the ceiling. I'll make 2. I'll place one mushroom lantern here and one here. There we go, much better. Cool. This room is looking much better now. Could make a mushroom candelabra. I'll do it. Okay, I'll come up here to my furniture chest. I'll take the table and the chair. I'll place the table right here. And now I'll place the chair like this. Now, on the table, I'm going to place my mushroom candelabra. Cool. Very nice. I feel like I should put something right here. Maybe in this room, I'll place either the Wraith statue or the woman statue. I think I'll place the woman statue. I'll have it looking to the left. Okay, and over here, I'll place a loom. Cool. Is this Emma's room now? Let's see. Oh, okay, Emma moved into this room. Oh, and now Harold lives in this room now? I'll pick up my stone walls, and I'll use stone walls in my chest room. I'll place stone walls in here. Lots of stone walls. Okay. Cool. Ooh, I need torches. Torch, 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 torch. Cool. All right, we have a good start for our chest room. Down here, I'm going to break all these vines. I'll break the vines. And for now, I'm just going to place all my statues. I'll improve this place in the future. My 2 duck statues, sword, 2 pot statues. I've got a butterfly statue, a squirrel statue, an armor statue, a corrupt statue, and a scorpion statue. And that's all my statues. Okay, I need to prepare to fight the Eye of Cthulhu. I need to get ready. I'll put everything away. Oh, there's an owl trapped inside my house. Look, it's flying back and forth. There's an owl and a bunch of ladybugs trapped inside my house. I'll move this Picasso painting into my chest room. I'll place it here. Perfect. And I'll place my chest and my water chest. All right, I cleared my inventory. All I have are my tools, my slime staff, which I should use now, slime, and 2 suspicious looking eyes to summon the Eye of Cthulhu. What will I need to fight the boss? I'll take some torches. I'll need lots of wood platforms. I'll need to build a space to fight the boss in, so I'll need lots of wood platforms. I'll probably need to chop down some more trees. I'll need health potions, but I'll probably need the bigger healing potions. These ones are small. I'll still take them though. Ah, here I have 8 big healing potions. I'll take these. What's this? Night Owl potion. Oh, this allows you to see better at night. I'll take this. Swiftness potions. These potions will let me run faster, 25% faster. I'll take one of these swiftness potions. I think I have everything that I'll need to fight the Eye of Cthulhu. I have some potions. I have my tools. I'll need to get more wood platforms. Let's go chop down some trees. Oh, hello. It's Bruno. Bruno moved in. Let's see. Where's Bruno's room? Bruno. Oh, Bruno lives here in the supporter room. Bruno is a painter. Cool. All right, I'll get my axe and I'll chop down some of these trees. There we go. And I'll plant these acorns. All right, I planted all the acorns. I got 123 wood. I'll use this wood to make a bunch of wood platforms. 246 wood platforms. Okay, now I'm going to build an area where I can fight the Eye of Cthulhu using these wood platforms. I'm gonna do it pretty far from my house because I don't want my NPCs to get killed by the boss. Maybe I'll do it over here to the left of my house. I'll come over here. I'll start running to the left of my house. I can run really fast with my boots. I think I'll build it right here. I'll fight the Eye of Cthulhu here. So I'm going to chop down these trees to clear the area. All right, I cleared a lot of space here. So now I'll take my wood platforms and I'll build upward. Like this. Okay, now I'll start building to the right. Like this. It's a good thing I have a lot of wood platforms. And there we go. Now I'm going to make one more floor below me. Maybe right here. Like this. There we go. Now I'll place some torches all over. Torch, 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 torch. And I'll place some torches on the ground. All right. I think we're ready. This should be a good spot to fight the boss. I'll take my suspicious looking eye. I'm going to take my potions. 1, 2. Now, I'll use my suspicious looking eye. Let's fight the boss. I'm scared. I'm scared, I'm scared. Where is it? Here he is. Die! Die, 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 die. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I took some damage there. Almost halfway. Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's his second form. Now he's got a big mouth. I've almost got him. We did it! I killed the Eye of Cthulhu. And look at all this stuff. Let's pick all this stuff up. Whoa. Let's see what we got. I got an Eye of Cthulhu mask. Whoa. Let's put this on. Haha. Look at my mask. I'm gonna fight him one more time using this second suspicious looking eye. Let's do it. Die, Eye of Cthulhu. This mandible blade is really good. I've almost got him halfway. There we go. Now he's changed into his second form. Die, Eye of Cthulhu. Ooh, he got me. He's almost dead. There we go. I killed him a second time. Let's pick up this stuff. Whoa, okay. I'm going to go back home now. Let's go back home. All right, I'll close the door. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Let's see what I got from killing the Eye of Cthulhu twice. I got 74 Crimtane ore. Whoa. I got 12 gold. That's a lot of money. 75 unholy arrows. In this metal chest, I have 10 more Crimtane ore. So I have 84 altogether. Let's turn this Crimtane ore into Crimtane bars. At the furnace. Here we go, Crimtane bars. I can make a bunch of Crimtane. I made 28 Crimtane bars. I'll put my Crimtane bars in my metal chest. And I'm going to end this episode right here. If these videos are being helpful to you, the best way to support this channel is by going over to my Ko-Fi page and making a donation, or by going to my shop and buying some of my artwork. You can check it out by clicking up here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.